Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are diving into the world of Google Ads. Whether you are new to digital marketing or just want to fine tune your strategy, this guide is perfect for you. So let's get started with what Google Ads are, how they help your business, and a step-by-step walkthrough on how to set up them. Ready? Let's go. First up, what exactly is Google Ads? In simple terms, Google Ads is an online advertising platform that allows you to create ads that appear on Google search engine and its partner websites. These ads can take various forms: text, images, videos, and more. Whenever someone searches for a keyword related to your business, your ad can pop up, giving your brand instant visibility. Unlike traditional advertising, Google Ads operate on pay-per-click, that is PPC model. This means you only pay when someone clicks on your ad, making it highly cost-effective and performance-driven. Now, why should you care about Google Ads? The answer is reach. Google processes over 3.5 billion searches a day, which means your ads have the potential to reach massive audience. But it's not just about quantity, it's about targeting the right audience. With Google Ads, you can select who sees your ads based on the location, demographics, interest, and even search intent. Whether you're looking to drive traffic to your website, generate leads, or increase sales, Google Ads can deliver tailored results based on your specific business goals. Now, what can you expect after setting up Google Ads campaign? If done right, you can see an increase in website traffic, improved brand awareness, more leads, and eventually conversions that turn into sales. And since Google Ads provide real-time data, you can monitor what's working and make tweaks as necessary. Let's walk through the steps of setting up first Google Ad campaign. If you follow along, you will have basic campaign ready in no time. Go to ads.google.com and click on Start Now. You will need a Google account to sign in, so make sure you have one. Once you are in, Google will ask you to choose a goal for your campaign. Whether it's driving website traffic, increasing sales, or generating leads, select what aligns with your business objectives. Next, define who you want to reach. You can set your location, choose languages, and even specify age groups or interests to make sure your ads reach the right people. Here is where you set how much you want to spend. You can choose a daily budget and a bidding strategy. For beginners, I recommend starting small and choosing the default maximize clicks option. Now comes the creative part, building your ad. Write a compelling headline, add a description, and don't forget to include a strong call to action like buy now or learn more. Finally, review your campaign settings to make sure everything looks good. Once you're happy with it, click publish and your ad will go live. And there you have it. You have just set up the first Google Ads campaign. Remember, success with Google Ads takes some experimenting, so don't be afraid to tweak things and see what works best for your business. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.